USMCA, T-MEC, CUSMA. If you've seen all three names in trade documents and wondered whether they're different agreements, you're not alone. Here's the answer. They are the same free trade agreement between the United States, Mexico, and Canada. The name just changes depending on which country is talking about it. I'm Kari Crane, editor of Shipping Solutions' international trade blog Passages. Before I explain what you need to know about these agreements in claiming preferential treatment, make sure you subscribe to our channel. USMCA replaced NAFTA in July 2020. The new agreement was designed to reflect modern trade, things like digital commerce, stronger labor and environmental standards, and updated rules of origin. The naming difference is simple. Each country puts itself first. The legal text, rules, and requirements are the same. So when a customer asks for a USMCA certificate, a supplier mentions T-MEC, or a Canadian partner refers to CUSMA, they're all talking about the same agreement. The name may be simple, but compliance is not. To claim preferential tariff treatment under USMCA, your goods must actually qualify. That means you need to correctly classify your product, apply the right rule of origin, document how the product qualifies, and keep records in case of an audit. The importer of record typically claims the preferential duty treatment, but exporters and producers often provide the documentation needed to support that claim, and that support needs to be accurate. Here's a key difference from NAFTA. Under USMCA, there is no official government-issued certificate of origin form. Instead, the agreement requires specific minimum data elements. That flexibility can be helpful, but it also creates risk. If required information is missing, inconsistent, or incorrect, the importer's duty claim may be challenged. That's why exporters should not treat USMCA documentation as a casual paperwork exercise. To make the process easier, Shipping Solutions offers free downloadable Certificate of Origin templates for USMCA, T-MEC, and CUSMA. That includes templates in English, Spanish, and French, so you can help provide documentation that matches the needs of your customers across North America. Click the card in the upper right-hand corner to download the free templates from Shipping Solutions. But remember, a certificate is only useful if the underlying origin claim is correct. Before you certify, make sure you've classified the product correctly and confirmed that it meets the applicable rules of origin. That's where many companies run into trouble. They assume because a product ships from the United States, Mexico, or Canada, it automatically qualifies. It doesn't. Origin is based on the agreement's rules, not simply where the shipment begins. We explain exactly how to determine if your product qualifies in the free guide linked here, How to Qualify for a Free Trade Agreement. And when you're ready to simplify your export documentation process, including USMCA, T-MEC, CUSMA, and other free trade agreement forms, we'd love to show you how Shipping Solutions software works.